Here we're looking at the Stream motorcycle helmet face shield by LS2.
This also fits the Assault and Rapid helmet.
I've been riding motorcycles for over 20 years and own multiple motorcycle helmets. And this actually has multiple levels, so you can lift it up halfway, close it all the way. Also, there's screws on both sides of the face shield for tear-offs. So if you want to do a different tint on the front of your face shield, you have that option too for tear-offs. Another reason why I like the face shield, it also has an easy disconnect. So you just pull it forward, lift up, and it pulls right off. And then you can snap on another face shield, different color. So I have one right here. So I just put this on there. Just position it. That simple. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.